Going down South Broadway, Rochester, Minnesota. Traffic is just slow, slow, slow. Everything is just really slushy and slippery and icy and everything else. 15 miles an hour is probably the max that you want to drive here. All the trees and everything getting all filled with snow. I don't know how many inches we've had so far. But you can't see in front of you very well. Guy riding a bike over to the left here. Trying to, at least. Gotta love this traffic now. Gotta love the snow.